Find the sum of an infinite geometric series. In this problem, we are going to find the sum of a geometric series that decreases with each term. Step 1. Identify the first term and common ratio. So the first term we have here is 8. The common ratio is the number that you multiply to each term to get to the next term. So from 8 to 4, I multiply 1/2, and from 4 to 2, I get 1/2 as the common ratio. So therefore, 1/2 is our common ratio, and we'll use r to represent that, and we use a to represent the first term. Step 2. Substitute into a over 1 minus r, and this is the formula we use to find the sum of this infinite series. For a, we're going to use 8, and that's the first term, and r is the common ratio, and that's 1/2. We simply evaluate, and then we get 16 as the sum, and this completes our problem.